Hey, my name is William and welcome to the Green Lizard USA YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my Diamondback HD cover for my 2021 Army Green Tacoma TRD off-road. So this cover is super solid and it looks great on the truck. I think it matches a lot of the aesthetic appeal of everything else with the off-road package, with the fender flares and the tires. I have done my own little blackout package here, but I'll do a quick walk around so you can see each side, and then we'll open it up. So this bed cover is super easy to use. It has a quick little turn handle here where you just twist, and then two hydraulic cylinders pop it up, or gas shocks I guess you call them. And same way going down, you just push and just slide the knob and it's locked. Another cool thing about this particular cover is that you can lock it, and it's solid aluminum, so it's actually pretty robust against any theft or other issues you might have. It locks up tight, and there's really no way you're gonna get a pry bar under this. No one's gonna be getting into your truck and taking anything of yours. There's another way you can open it from the cab side. Same thing, stick your key in, turn the handle. If I knew which way to turn it, and it pops up. One cool thing on this side is that there's actually a safety feature that keeps you from having your bed fly open on the road. And there it is. You can open both at the same time. If it was unlocked. You have easy access to both sides of your bed, front and back. Tailgate operates just like it always would. You can see all my junk in there. Another nice feature is you can use the tailgate even when the bed cover is down and doesn't interfere with the closing. No problem. Same thing, close the front, turn your latch, and it's locked. The HD cover also comes with 12 pre-installed cleats that are super solid. They claim you can actually park an ATV or up to, I think it's 1,600 pounds, maybe 1,400. I'll do a fact check there and put it on the video. But the tie down points are really strong. You could stand up on top of this. In fact, I think I will, and show you. You can just hop right on top. I'm about 210 pounds today. I don't really feel any deflection or any crunching or warping happening here. Pretty solid. Solid everywhere you walk. There's no real soft spots or any issues. Super solid bed cover. Highly recommend it. Pretty pricey, but you get what you pay for. And in this case, you get a lot. So I highly recommend it. I think the folks at Diamondback did a great job with this. The finish quality is good. The this like bed liner kind of material seems to be very strong. It's not going to weather. There's nowhere really for it to flake or pick off. I'm really happy with it. I think it was about $2,100. So again, not cheap, pretty expensive. But you get what you pay for, and I think you'll be satisfied. I hope you liked the video, and I plan to put out many more Tacoma related videos on this truck, a few other modifications I've done, and I have a lift on this truck and a skid plate underneath and some stuff on the inside I want to show you. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for the next video. Thanks.